need my sword. Right. Anything else I could use? I look retarded, don't I?
Very. Wait till you see yourself.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. I have the best idea ever.
You stick it on your butt.
Yes.
It fell off. Your butt's just too smexy for it.
My boobs fell off. Bring it on. I am very bored.
I can tell.
Oh yeah.
No, wait, just put it a little bit lower.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Do the pee-pee dance.
What's up, G?
Go wanks to honest, yo.
Yo, man, G person, what's up? Yo, monster truck. Juicy poopy dance.
Your butt fell off.
Oh yeah.
It's my vagina.
Ready for it? Oh yeah, gangsta.
And my weenus. Scraping her weenus with her vagina.
God, I'm not glad because I'm crying right now. Screw you. At least my boobs like me. What else I could do? I'm getting cold.
Did you say you're getting cold?
Cold.
It's gonna make your boobs fall off. Oh, you're not gonna. Yeah, I told you it's gonna make your boobs fall off.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, boxers on your head?
Yes.
Whose boxers are those?
Mine. Yes, I own boxers.
Fabulous. Drop the bag. And your boob falls off. And the boxers. Booby dance.
God, people are gonna wonder.
Yes, they are.
Come on, baby, you can do this. No, it's kind of miscirculation. Oh yeah.
Yay! In case you can't hear it, the nail polish makes a little noise when you shake it. So you gotta shake it. Shake it.
I'm about to do it.
Shake it. Shake it.
Shake it. I know you want all this sexiness.
Totally.
I look retarded. Girl, you were not supposed to go.
Oosh.
Now I'm wearing a sock. No. Yeah, my butt's still there. They didn't get hand roaches. I'm not entertained.
Not at all. Ow, my butt.
I'm gonna go pole dance with a mop.
Bye. But how will you keep the mop up?
I think it's a big move.
I can't. Ah!
My ball fell off.
Oh. I just shook.
Didn't you wish your penguin was hot? You dumbass. Didn't you wish your penguin was hot like me?
Yes, because she's a penguin. She's a Smexy penguin.
I hope this is like on YouTube or Facebook.
It is.
Stop the music.
Oh.
Derby shirt. Exciting, you're coming off, but Derby shirt. Oh yeah.
Falcon.
Don't have him on Falcon anymore. No offense, Dr. P.
Dr. P's a Rickards Raider now. Anyway, so that's like he's gonna care.
This looks awesome. Just go to school with only these babies on. Awkward.
Just a bit, especially when they start to fall off.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So Smexy. Makes me just want to do dirty things to you.
Bring it on. I've never been this bored.
I have.
I'm about to go dance with the wall. On the wall.
Let's see the Smexiness.
Break time.
As long as you don't hit me.
Hey there.
It's the door, not the wall.
I like the door better. Make my boobs fall. Oh, my mom doesn't get creeped out. What are they doing there? Oh, my picture's in there.
It's still in there. She shoved her 7th grade picture down her pants so I wouldn't see it.
7 years old.
7-year-old picture. Because she didn't want me to see it. And she knew I wouldn't go down her pants for it.
You better not.
It's not my job.
It's nobody's job.
Technically not right now.
It wouldn't be someone's job.
Meh.
Right? Okay.
Smexy. Oh no, you've lost your Smexiness.
I'm gonna go cry.
Where's my phone?
Behind you?
Oh.
It's on it. Need more Smexy. Oh, yeah.
Ah, no, my phone turned off on its own. Again.
It's dripping.
I can't even make the noise.
Oots, oots, oots.
Take it all off. Take it off. Take it all off. Give me a show I'll never forget.
Oh, yeah. Grrr. This is like the best thing ever.
It's 9:56.
I'll tell my mom, okay, I need to leave soon. Then I might be able to come spend the night and then we can have more.
Yay. But you may want to take off all this stuff before you go out there.
Whoa. Like my new saddle?
Yes, I love it, darling. You look beautiful.
Wait. That's a booty, huh?
Booty booty.
What's up? You want to sit?
Yes, I do. I want it all. I want that. Oh no, it's hit 10 minutes again. Stupid YouTube doesn't let it go longer than 10 minutes. Bye, YouTubers.
For now.
Yes, for now.